Hello and welcome to HD Calcs. I'm Rick, and in this video, we're going to have a look at how we can enter and use factorials on the Desmos Online graphing calculator. To get started from the main page, all we have to do is put our mouse here on the Open Graphing Calculator button, give it a click, and it takes us to the Desmos Graphing Calculator page here, with our cursor up here on the left. If we want to solve something like, say, 3 factorial, all we have to do is type the 3 and then type in our exclamation mark, which symbolizes the factorial. So Shift 1 on my keyboard, and we get the result, which equals 6. If we don't want to type, what we can do is go down to this keyboard symbol here, click that, and we get this keyboard at the bottom of our screen. If we want to do 3 factorial from here, again, we start by typing the 3, and then we go over to the ABC button here. Give that a click, and we see here at the bottom on the right is an exclamation mark. So we hit that, and we get the same result. 3 factorial is equal to 6. Let's look at one more. Let's say 5 factorial. Well, we start with the 5, and again, we can just type the exclamation mark, and that gives us our result of 120. Or we can just do it from the keyboard down here. This time, let's choose the 5 on the keypad, and then the ABC button, and then the factorial. And see, we get the same result of 120. If we want to use it in an equation, we can just continue typing it out. Let's say plus 7. So we have 5 factorial plus 7, which equals 127. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really hope this has been helpful. If it has, you can help me out by hitting that like button and subscribe for more calculator tips in the future. And, as always, good luck on those tests out there, everybody. You've got this.